Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new stickers and a hardcover journal from RedBubble. So as you can see, the notebook packaging is very sturdy to make sure it will get to you in the best condition possible. The journal comes inside a plastic bag so it doesn't get damaged in case it rains. This is one of my best-selling journals inspired by the beautiful Duchess of Cambridge, Kate Middleton. The quality of the print is excellent, the colors are correct, the cover is smooth, and the size is perfect to carry it everywhere. It's 5.5 by 7.5 inches, so it fits in my small handbags. Now let's open the stickers. One of my favorite products from RedBubble are the stickers. I buy them all the time, so I know I'm going to like these ones. I ordered my Kate sticker for a project I'm planning right now, and a couple of sticker sheets for my bullet journal. They are very easy to peel off, and the quality of the print is excellent. The cut is precise and clean, but if you get a couple of planner stickers cut together, you can always get a pair of scissors and fix it yourself. It's not a big deal. Like I said, I love RedBubble stickers, and these ones are going to help me stay organized. Now, let's put them to the test. I love to use my journals not only for planning but also for sketching, but for this tutorial I'm going to be planning the first week of September. Journaling is a great way to focus on your goals. I use it to remind me what I need to do and also to stay motivated throughout the week. I'm not that kind of planner person who has everything looking neat and perfect. I always mess up certain words, like I did there on Thursday, and my schedule changes a couple times a week, so I like to put stickers to cover certain mistakes or when I have to reschedule things. So I had to send invoices for a couple of illustrations I did, and I thought those little bills looked very cute. I also like the water bottle sticker a lot, because I never drink enough water, and this reminds me that I need to stay hydrated, especially during the summer. I also like to doodle a lot and use colored pencils to match the color theme of my stickers. In this case, I decided to use green leaves as bullets. I find journaling very relaxing and it keeps me in creative mode. I like to know that I've accomplished a lot. Tuesdays are the days I go grocery shopping, so I use the little grocery bag full of veggies to remind me to eat healthy. I also uploaded a new video on YouTube, and since I don't have a green play sticker, I decided to make one. I liked it so much I'm going to add it to my next sticker sheet and put it in my RedBubble store. By the way, I'm going to leave you the link in the description box. On Wednesdays, I like to take a break and go out, so that small cup of coffee looked perfect for it. Then I went back home and ordered some candles from the Overflow shop and recorded a new episode for my podcast on Neo Mujer USA. I also ordered Mexican food, so those limes looked great on my journal. I spent the rest of the day designing new stickers. See, I'm always making mistakes, but I don't care. Life is messy and beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this quick plan with me. Don't forget to leave me your comments and check the links down below. See you next time. Bye.